Okay, so we have started the recording, and what we are doing is we are doing the worksheet on lists. It is basically based on all the concepts we have been referring till now, starting from creating the list and accessing the data elements of the list, slicing, and all that. Okay. So in the first part, which Lakshay explained very well, that A2 will refer to the second element of the list, assuming list starts from 0. Okay. And second part of the first question, that is A2 colon, that means start from the second position and go till the end. So everything from the second position, right? So accordingly, we have got this output, assuming this is my list. Here you just have to explain it. But now we are checking out the outputs with a example also. So A, I'm assuming this. Now in this case, A2 will be actually 0, 1, 2. So data at the second position, that is 30. And A2 onwards, the moment you see colon anywhere in your square brackets, that means you're going to think in terms of slicing only. Starting position, colon, end position, colon, step value. That's the format. So here we have starting position given, then a colon. That means only one colon is there. So left of that means starting position given and nothing else given. So starts from the second position and goes till the end. Everything picked up from the second position till the end. So that is why we have here 30 onwards till 60. Second position, third position data, fourth position data, fifth position data. Okay. Now coming to the second one, A2 colon is the same as this one itself. So you get that output. And A colon 2. Now before 2, if I have the colon, that means the starting part is missing, as Lakshay was explaining. So that means you start from the beginning and go till 2. That is, go till the second position. And we don't never go till that particular number which is mentioned as the end point. We go one less. So 0th position and first position is what we extract. Here we can see here that when we say A colon 2, I am extracting the 0 position data and the first position data from my list. Okay, hence I get 10, 20 in this case. Okay, Lakshay. Has Varun come in?
No.
Okay, so Lakshay, please continue. Or if anybody else wants to explain, that's also fine. Let's have the third part, beta. A2 colon colon and A colon colon 2.
A colon colon.
A2 colon colon means again 2 is the
Index.
Yes, ma'am. The beginning will
beginning
be.
index and
Yes, ma'am.
nothing else is given to us. So second onwards, everything will be displayed.
Ma'am, I'm not getting what we do after writing the two colons.
Now,
Two also mean same output.
yes, 2 colon will also give me the same output as 2 single colon, because the second colon basically is optional, no? Because after that it is a step value, and if you don't mention the step value, it is 1 only. So whether I write this or I don't write this, my output is same. So
And second
A2
and third will be
colon,
same answer.
yes, Praneeth?
Then same answer will be there now for second and third.
Yeah. So this particular part is same as this particular part and this particular part. Same thing. We're just comparing one with the other, but actually, as per this, these are the same output things. Now, what happens when I say that it is A colon colon 2? So, what all am I missing here? Start
Ma'am,
position
in
missing.
this, we will write
Yeah,
all the numbers with the gap of 2.
very true. That is single jump, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
you start from 0 because nothing is given. You go till end because nothing is given. And you jump 1 data. So 2 means I told you yesterday only that you jump 1 less than the number mentioned here. So jump by 1. So leave 1 and display the rest. So then what do I get as my output in this case? First
10,
element
30.
30, then 50, and then it stops because the next element is the next one. I don't have after leaving one particular gap. So it will be only 10, 30, 50. Let's check it out. A square brackets colon colon 2. 10, 30, and 50. Okay. So they seem quite similar, but they have difference in terms of where the colon is placed. So you have to be very careful about that part. Fine. Okay, coming to the last one. Lakshay, you want to try? A into 3 and A2 into 3. What will happen? A list name into 3. Try to remember the
Ma'am,
operations on list.
ma'am, all the numbers of A will be printed 3 times.
Yes, this is going to work as replication. So when you apply an operator with your list name directly, so there it talks about multiplication means replication. So the entire list is repeated thrice. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And is this the, is it replacing the data in A? Let's check that. No, it is not replacing the data in A. These are the questions which, are very simple, but yet confusing. The replacement is done only if it is to be written like this. Otherwise, the replacement is not done. That means you assign back. You do the calculation and you assign back into the list. Then the data is replicated. It's in place. But otherwise, it is just that picks up the data from A and applies the multiplied by 3 wali story. So you get this thing. But the data is not stored back into A. Okay, so let us do that. If I do this thing, this is what I get. Okay. But the data is, let me just put that note also. But the replicated data is not replaced back into the list A. That will be done only if I write A is equal to A into 3. That is A assigned to A into 3. Okay. Now next one. What happens if I am doing A2 into 3? Break up.
I mean, this the value of 2, which is given in the list.
Which are the first in the list? They will
Right.
be repeated 3 times.
Now, when you are doing this, this extraction will be taken up. Now it is a normal value. Normal value multiplied by 3. So that is not replicated. Normal value multiplied by 3 is going to be a normal multiplication being done. So A2 is now 0, 1, 2. So that is 30. So this A2 returns me 30. 30 into 3.
90.
90. That is a trick in this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Into 3 works as replication if you are applying the story onto a list. But here you are applying it to one of the values of the list. Okay. So that is why it does not work like a replication. It works like a normal multiplication. Am I clear with this to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others also. Rabani joined, I think, a few
Yes,
minutes
ma'am.
before. Yeah. Achintya, now your great. Now your turn. Question
I
number
don't know.
2.
I don't remember all, but in this, it is given a list of 5 fruit names and name it as a fruit. So fruits,
Okay. Let me write down.
fruits, caps. F is in caps.
Not necessarily. Not
But
necessarily. If you,
That's it.
moreover, I made this A in capital letters and see how many errors I'm doing, just writing A again and again and again. So
Achha.
preferably do not use capital letters in Python. It's very difficult to remember
Okay, ma'am.
the variables. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
fruit is equal
Fruit
to
is equal to square bracket.
square brackets. Right? Keep on saying, keep on saying.
Single quotes. Apple.
Okay. Right. So I give names
Mango.
of 5
Kiwi.
fruits.
Kiwi.
I'm not writing all that. So 5 fruit
but-
names.
Hanji.
Right? Very good.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
one. 5 city names and name it as city.
5 city names. City.
Okay. Here, because it is given capital C, so I'm taking capital C.
Ma'am. Yes,
Exam
ma'am.
may be careful if they ask you like this, so make sure you use the same variable name. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
City.
By square brackets. Delhi.
And then within quotes, because it's a character value, so
Character.
we will be
So
using
D caps में आएगा ना?
not necessarily. I mean, that's your wish. You want obviously capital names, and so should be in capital. I mean,
Comma.
city names are there,
हाँ जी.
right? So like Mumbai.
Mumbai.
and-
Kerala.
right, like that.
So on.
So on. Next one.
A list containing 3 strings and 2 integers and named it as mix. इसका क्या होगा?
What? I mean, is it difficult? Mixed is the name of my list.
अच्छा, mixed is the name. अच्छा, हाँ,
Yeah,
sorry.
mixed is the name.
So mixed
Mixed.
is equal to square bracket -1
Okay.
-3 comma -3
Okay.
numbers है इसलिए मैं single quotes में नहीं कह रहा था.
Correct, absolutely correct. But just that, if you are trying to give it a mix of negative and positive numbers because it is integers, so then take one negative and take another positive also. Otherwise, the examiner might think you might take integers as negative numbers only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take one negative, one positive.
और 3 strings कौन सी बताऊं?
Anything, maybe your name.
अचिंत्य, हाँ.
Achintya. Then we have our latest entry to the class, that is Varun.
अजितेश. अच्छा.
No. And the latest
मेरे को
entry like
लगा.
that, Ajitesh. Okay. And actually, Ajitesh is waiting in the waiting room. I don't know when he got disconnected. Okay. So that is how we create our list. Now, okay, I add one more thing here, which we have not been doing. That is creating a blank list. We'll be needing it in the programs. Creating a blank list. With list function, which we have done in the last class, and creating a blank list without list function. Both the ways. So this I will add on. Now here, if I say creating a blank list with list function, suppose P is equal to P is my list name, list function. So list, half circle open, half circle close. Right? And creating a blank list without use of list function is also very simple. We just simply write the name of the list is equal to square brackets open, square bracket closed. The way I would declare a integer variable, you know, a is equal to
But
0.
why do we use list bracket close and open?
This is a function, no? We did last class. This function
Achha,
creates lists. So if it is a blank list, I would use it for creating a blank list. Okay, just let me be sure about it, whether we use a square bracket inside or not. P is equal to, these things are sometimes really confusing. Fine, it's okay. Right, so normal P list function, when you call the list function with nothing inside, it is going to create a blank list for me, and that gets stored in P. So P ka content is actually a blank list. Very good. Is Uja there? I didn't see Uja entering. No. Okay, so let me have Rabbani do it. Rabbani, can you try these questions, beta? Rabbani is also, she tried entering twice, thrice, but then not present. Who else wants to give it a try? Ajitesh? Acha, okay. Achanta, you can try.
Okay.
This is one list.
Okay.
This is another list. Now there are these questions where this is the membership operator we are using. A in and A not in. So how do I get my answers?
You have to tell true or false.
Correct.
So first list is 538 and second one is A. अगर मैम एक चीज मुझे पूछनी थी आपसे, अगर जैसे कोई चीज जैसे A तो जैसे डबल कोट्स में है.
That is the question in this. That is actually the question in this. That if I am searching for A without quotes, is it similar to searching for A with quotes also? That is the tricky part in this question actually.
Why?
Because A with double quotes, we understand it as strings.
Strings. हाँ.
So is it that if I say A in B, will it take it up as a
No.
value? It will not take it up as a
No.
value. But if I say A in quotes,
Quotes
B,
in B,
that will be taken up.
False.
but quotes
Hey,
में
that
से
will be
तो B
true.
को भी
Pranit, that will be true,
हम
beta.
A का false कह रहा हूँ.
A in B
First
will
वाला
be
कह रहा
false. Yeah, because A is actually nothing. I mean, as such, here it is a variable name also. It is actually searching for 538 in B. But otherwise, if you talk about any value, which is you take it up as, without quotes and try to search that as a string value, that will not be considered.
Second one will be true.
Yeah, second one will be true because you have a proper A with quotes.
Third will be false.
Third
one
will
will not.
be
No, it will be
false.
true.
Why true? Capital and
Okay.
small.
अच्छा capital and small. हाँ, sorry.
You have to be careful. This is case sensitive search. Very good, Pradeep.
Hmm.
Okay, so we have the first one as false. We have the second one as true. We have the third one as
False.
false. We have the fourth one.
A not in B.
No.
A in
A
B.
as a list in B.
Then
False.
false.
False, because A is not there as a list in B.
True. E will be true.
Okay. Yeah, so E
E.
will be true
Haan.
because yes, it is not in B. A is not in B. So if I write A is not in B, it will be a true statement.
F also true.
66 in B.
Okay, let me check.
Last one is true.
Right, so you can get these questions also in terms of true, false. Oh, no, yes, well, this is the biggest problem, remembering what was capital and what was small. Yeah, so this is true. That is the fifth one, and sixth one we can make out easily. 66 in B, it
True.
is true. Okay, na? So 66 in B is actually true. Acha, now one thing. Now here when you say A in B, we were actually talking about, I said that A is not a value as such. String value. So this is not the same what it is talking about. Okay, but what exactly it is trying to tell you here is that what was its purpose is it searching for this data in B? A is actually a variable. So content of variable can I search? Let us try out that. That is something important here. So let me try out that. Like supposingly we are saying, I'm not taking anything in capitals, please. A is equal to 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm saying B is equal to 3, 7, 4, 8, 5. So I've mixed the numbers. They are not as part directly, but I've mixed. Now if I say A in B, false. Okay. If I try to put it as together as a sublist, maybe at the first
Ma'am,
position or
why A
somewhere.
is not in B, ma'am? It is there, no? The contents of A are also in B.
That's what I'm saying, that when you are searching like this, it is not searching those contents like that. Is it searching like
So,
a
ma'am, it is-
sublist? Let me check out. That's what I'm telling you. Now let's do it practically. It will be more clear. You'll remember it. So if I'm saying like this is my list. And now I've made a sublist just the way it is here. Okay. Now let us check. A in B. Fine. So even if you're checking for a list, it has to be then in that format itself. It cannot be random numbers. ये normal, set, what do you call it? Set operation वाला check नहीं कर रहा. Individual elements को उठा के checking. That's not what is being done. If you are trying to search, because A is a list, so he's trying to search a list which is containing 3, 4, 5 in B. Okay. So let me put it here. A. It is searching for A, which is a list in B, not an individual element. Now what happens if I give an individual element, which is a list in B? Like I'm saying, A is a variable now, or let me say C is equal to 3. No, not 3, 8. Individual element. Now I say C in B, it will be true. Have you got my point? Because C is now a normal integer data. So integer data, it is comparing here with this and this and this and this, and it is able to find it. But in
Ma'am,
this
I
case,
didn't understand, ma'am.
see what I'm trying to say
Ma'am,
is
I
that
wanted to ask one thing.
yes.
Ma'am, अगर if we take like if we say that we take like D हम ले लें 3 4 5 जो आपने एक ब्रैकेट में डाल रखा है एक ऐसे D
हाँ,
and फिर हम उसको कहते हैं कि A in D
हाँ.
तो वो क्या होगा फिर?
Okay, fine. So we are saying D is equal to 3 4 5. One list. A is equal to 3 4 5. Great, that is also one example. So A in D or vice versa is still false, because see what you're trying to search. You're trying to search the contents of A, which is a list. This complete list you're trying to search in D, and this complete list is not there as a list in search in D. These elements are there as list elements, but you don't have a complete list like this here,
Okay,
Excuse
ma'am,
me, ma'am.
understood.
right? Yeah.
Ma'am, so if we make the D list, I mean the A list again in the D1, ma'am, then it will come true.
Then it will come true, because that will be a sub list, and then you are trying to search a list only there. So
Yes,
he has a list within the list, which is coming out to be true. Let us try that again. So I'm saying D is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5. They are individual elements. Sorry, I didn't give a square brackets. Comma, but in square brackets I again give a sub list which is 3 4 5. Okay, now I try to search my A in D and it will give me 2. Fine. So if
Ma'am, so it is, if we do this, ma'am, it is searching for that particular list.
particular list, yeah. So whatever is your content of this variable, whether it's a single element, then it will search for a single integer. If it is a single float value, it will search for a single float value or a single string value, whatever. But if it is a list, then it will search for that list in that particular format itself. If it is a tuple, it will search for that tuple. If it is a dictionary, it will search for that dictionary within that list. Okay, the whole thing as it is searched. And then if it is present, it will mark it as true. Great. Understood?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Everybody, Anhat, Ajitesh, Ronit, Husev,
Yes.
Varun,
Understood,
Harsh, right? Shan. Okay. Now we come to question number 4. So, and I think I should give this example also, no? I must attach this. Some peculiar case karke something. I'll add this thing also. Some typical things to remember. And let me add on this entire example. This part.
मैम
Yeah.
मैम फिर तो अगर ऐसे अगर मैं D के अंदर से 3 और 4 लेता हूँ, जैसे आपने उसमें जो B है उसमें मतलब तीनों को एक साथ
एक
लिया
मिनट बेटा, एक second. Just give me 1 second.
ओके मैम
Just give me 1 second. Because I'm not looking at the exam, I mean the numbers you're saying. No? I might say something. Just a second. I just want to make this thing very typically, visible to you, so that when you read through these, you can easily make out. Because CBSE being getting objectified, I mean this year onwards, because the objective part has increased. So these kind of questions are very much expected. I think it has got 2 times pasted. ना बड़ा तो नहीं है यार. Just a second. Yeah. Now tell me, what were you saying? Yes, Sachin.
I was asking,
Hmm.
like in B you have given 3 4 5, you have
Hmm.
combined it in a specific like space.
Hmm.
So अगर मैं सिर्फ if I take only 3 and 4 in D and I
Hmm.
ask A in D,
Hmm.
just 3 or 4 ले दो,
No,
5 नहीं है।
subset story will not work.
हाँ भाई मैं पूछ रहा हूँ।
Subset story will not work like this. Okay, fine. Question number 4, I hand over to Sumit.
Yes, ma'am.
And up to
Ma'am.
part E. Yeah.
Ma'am, D.
Up to part D. Yeah, sorry. Then it's Tanvi and Prakita.
Yes.
Chalo.
Ma'am, first it will take us, it will take 3. Um, it will count all the elements in the list, ma'am.
It will count all the elements. How many
Yes.
elements are there? So 1, 2, 3,
1,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count the
yes, ma'am.
elements, and counting
12.
always starts from 1
1.
and
It
not
will
0.
not take us index number.
Yes, it will not take us index numbers, or it can say that it will be 1 more than the index number. The last value is index number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct. Next
Yes,
one.
ma'am. 8, 3, ma'am. 0, 1, 2, 3, ma'am. 8.
Okay, so this is talking about the data at the third index position. Third index position means 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'm
Yes, ma'am.
getting 8.
8.
Very
Ma'am, now
good.
it will, for -3, it will come from the back, ma'am.
It'll come from the
1
back.
will be
Okay.
-1, 1, -1, -2, -3. Ma'am, it will be 6.
Yeah, right. So this way also minus indexes are supposed to start from the right hand side. So this is -1, this one, then this is -2, and this is
16 नहीं होना चाहिए मैम.
3.
मैम, it
No,
should be 16 because
no, beta, it is
0
from the
से
right hand
0
side. You
-1.
don't start from 0.
Okay.
That is the typical part. From the right hand side, you don't start from 0. Right hand side, it's directly -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -7, -12, like that. And right, left hand side, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so minus
Yes.
3 is actually 6. Great. Now D part.
8, 3, colon. Ma'am, so it will start from 8 till the last element. That is 1.
Right. So 0, 1, 2, 3.
It will
Third
take all
position.
the index
Yes, it will
numbers.
start from the third index position. And because no other limit is given, no step value is given, so everything from the third position is displayed. Correct. Okay, now over to Tanvi.
Ma'am, in next question, we will start from -3, which is 6 to 1. 6 to 1.
-3 and nothing else is given. -3 onwards. Okay. Now -1, -2, -3. Fine.
Ma'am,
So
6 to 1.
6 to 1. Fine. Very good. Next one. That is G part. No, F part.
And after that, we will print all the elements in the list with the gap of 3,
All the elements
which
in the
would
list.
be 3,
Mhm.
8,
Okay.
3, 8, 23, 6.
6. Correct. So here my starting position is not given, so I start from 0. Ending position is not given, so I go till the end of the list. But I jump 2 positions every time. So first value, then you skip 2, and the third one. So actually, this 3 ka matlab, you can obviously take it as every third value. If I say 2, every second value. So after 3, if I say every third value, it will be 1, 2, 3, third value. 1, 2, 3, third value. 1, 2, 3, third value. 1, 2, another third value is not there, so that will not come. Every third value, starting from first. If I change this to the starting position, I change, suppose start from 3 and go by 3. Then what will happen?
Ma'am, it will print from
0,
8
1,
to
2,
last
3.
with the gap of 3.
Correct.
3.
So 8, then
23,
23, then 6,
6.
and then leave it. Okay. Just let me add this also. Okay. So now we come down to, yes, colon -1 as the step value. This has
Ma'am, it
one
will
typical meaning.
reverse all the lists
Yes.
on the.
Correct. Now, beta, this is something which
But
don't go by
colon
the
का
actual
मतलब-
logic.
then, ma'am, then what is the meaning of colon? क्योंकि like क्या लिखेंगे?
See, it is a normal pattern which I use. It's like a command. You can say that if in the step value, I ask him to do -1 without specifying anything else, it completely reverses the string, the list in a normal reverse fashion, like from the back till the beginning. From the back till the beginning. What happened? Why am I getting so many elements? 1, 2, 3. Acha, this is a slice. Okay. So 1, 2, 6, 16, 33, like that, up till the beginning. That is the format. But this doesn't happen if you put -1 at any other point. That means if I say only -1, so it'll give me the -1th element, which is your Uh, oh, it's capital A. Sorry, -1. 1. How come? -1 is 3, no? Oh, sorry. My original list is still same. I'm so sorry. This is my original list. When you do this, the reversal is only for display. It is not reversing it in place. Again, if you assign it back into list that I've told you, any operation you do on the list, any slicing you do on the list, that's only for display. It does not send the data back into the list until unless I say A assigned to, or the name of the list assigned to. First point. Second point, if I'm only writing -1, it works like a normal extraction of a single element. If I write A colon -1, go till -1. So beginning till end, but 1 less than that, because this is working like a normal end product, right? So 0 till 1 less than the -1th data. Okay. If I do it with colon -1, then the list is reversed. Okay, please remember, single -1 talking about a single element. There's no colon, so this is not slicing only technically. If it is colon -1, go till -1, 1 less than that. So 1 last value is not picked up. Then if it is colon -1, then it is reversing the entire element. Now I really can't justify why is it reversing. Frankly speaking, I can't justify, because this is like a rule set for it. If I write it like this, it reverses. Anybody can justify this thing? Step value -1. Maybe step value -1, so it is like beginning to end, but step value -1, so end to beginning kar deta hai usko, just like that. I really can't justify this. Okay, but this is how the reverse will come. Set pattern. Either you use a reverse function or you use this tarika to get the reverse of the list. Fine. Let's move on to the next one. It's already 1 o'clock. H part.
Ma'am, it will
8
start
2.
from 3.
It will perform.
Ma'am, it will start from 3 with the gap of 2 till 16, but it will not include 16.
Correct. It'll start from, it'll start from 0. Why
Yes,
8?
ma'am. Ma'am, 3 numbered 3.
Achha, number 3. Okay, this is my original list. So it'll start from 3, go till the 7th position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go till the 7th position with a jump of 2. So 3, 7, 10, 23, and not 16, because I don't do till the position maintained as my second argument in the slice. Okay. So 3, 7, 10, 23. I hope it is understood. There'll be no other maximum, any other variation of it
Yes,
coming in the
ma'am.
exam. Okay, great. Now, applying the last two are very typical. Praket, can you justify? We've applied the len function to my slice output. My sliced output, we have applied the length function. So if I apply the length function to this output, what will be the answer?
And count of the output which are remaining.
Four.
Yes. It will be the count of the output which I have got with the help of my slice. Count of the output which I have got with the slice. So because there are 4 elements, so I get 4. Fine. So that is the story here. That whatever he is going to do, extraction from -3 onwards. -3 means -1, -2, -3. So -3 onwards, it is displaying me the elements. But ultimately, those elements are given to len. So the count is given to it. Okay. So let us check this out. -3 onwards, we have not done also earlier. Okay. If I do not give a len here, then it is -3 onwards. So -3 onwards means
6
it
to
is,
1.
yes, correct. It will be 6 to 1. And when I apply len to that, it is 3. And this, 3 onwards. So third position onwards. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This onwards, whatever the number of elements are, that will be shown to you. I think that's clear now. I hope it's understood, all of these. I'll just copy paste this part also. I've not done it part by part. There could be some mixed things, but just for your understanding. You have the solutions in front of you. Okay, now these are the textbook questions. Textbook questions, that is from the back of your chapter. I thought that I'll cover these also, so that you really don't have to go and refer to the chapter again. Okay, so I pass on to Anhad for the first two and
Excuse
next.
me, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
Shan.
I'm having some trouble with my laptop, so I'm rejoining the meeting with my phones. So please keep the meeting unlogged. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Anhad, start, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this question, ma'am, we will get the output in the ascending order, like in the square brackets, ma'am, we will get 10, 12, 26, 32, 65, and 80.
Very, very good. So my data has been sorted within the list itself. That's important. That is the elements of the list itself has been modified in the manner of sorted order. Correct? My original list has been replaced by the sorted order data. Please remember that. That doesn't happen if I use which function? Anybody?
Sorted.
Sorted. Excellent, Praneet. Thank you. If I do this, so sorry, I think it's list 1. I have to make a mistake, you know. If I want to keep it error free. What is the list 1 dot sorted?
Ma'am, I have
Oh, sorry,
written
it is sorted list 1. Same story. Yeah. Oh, this is really, you have to remember, if it is sort function, we use list name dot sort. If it is sorted, then it has to be sorted brackets the name of the list. Okay, please remember that. And in this case, it is just printing the data. My list is still the sorted one only. I mean, currently it is going to be the same one. Let me have this data again so that I can show you the difference. Because that can be asked in the exam. This is my original list. Now I'm saying sorted list. Show me the sorted list. Isko aise yaad rakho. Show me the sorted list. Okay, but is the list origin? I mean, again, actually sorted? No, it isn't. Right? Right, Pradeep?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Others
what is the
also?
difference, ma'am, between sort and sorted in this case, ma'am? Then
In the case of sort, the data gets sorted at place. That means the original list values are only updated.
okay, ma'am.
But in the case of sorted, the original list values are not updated till you update it yourself by writing it like this. Or you want to put it into some other place. Because every time I might not
Achha.
need to, replace the data. मुझे एक बार sort करके देखना है. I don't want to replace it. But in the case of sort, it's by default replaced. I can't help
Okay,
it.
ma'am.
But in the case of sorted, I have the option to either put it in the
Ma'am,
same
can we
list.
do the other questions tomorrow?
Oh, so many left out. Can we just finish this question at least?
Fine,
Within
ma'am.
2 minutes, quickly.
Ma'am,
We'll
we
do
can
that.
do tomorrow.
Okay, fine. The B part is actually about sorted only. So I think now the point is clear. Anand,
Yes,
can I
ma'am.
have the answer for this?
Ma'am, the B part.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will get the answer as ma'am, the same answer in the list ones, ma'am, like 12, 32, 65, 26, 80, and 10.
Yes, right. So this particular line will give me the sorted list. It shows you immediately before the prompt. Just notice these, minuscule differences. When you give list 1 dot sort, no output was given to me. Could you see that? Unless I asked him to show. So when this happens now, this is a meaning that the data has been replaced. But in this case, when the immediate output is coming, the data is not replaced. That is why when I'm printing my list 1 again, I get my original list only, because I did not assign it back into the list 1. Very good. Okay, last two, Praneet, let's finish and then we'll do the rest in the next class. Yeah.
It will print 8, 8, and then 6, 4, 2.
Okay, that's a pretty challenging thing. We have actually not done this part. That if in the step value, we have a negative jump. This is my list 1. Now let me have list 1 colon colon minus 2. That's great. Actually, it's going to jump from the backside 2 steps.
2 times.
Yes. Backside 2 steps. This is very interesting and important. We have not done it yet. Good one. It'll start, if it's a minus 2, say if it's a positive 2, then start from beginning and jump to 1 1 position. But if it is minus 2, then start from the back and jump 1 1 position. The same story differs completely if I put this minus 2 in the middle. The story completely differs. It again completely differs if I put a minus 2 at the beginning. Only at the beginning. I mean, just minus 2 at the beginning. If I say colon minus 2, or if I say colon colon minus 2, completely different answers you'll get. Very good. This is something which we need to really point out. So I am just putting it here. Important karke. Important to refer this particular output. Okay. Acha, fine. What is the last one? Oh no, you have this step also. What will this do?
It will take gap of 2 from starting it. It will go from 3.
Why gap? This is not the step value. It's not 2 colons and then 3. It is single
It is
colon.
a index.
It is a stop index and this is a start index.
फिर तो वो 3 लेगा ना as a number से
And
starting
then
में
it
तो.
will start from 1 and take the. Oh, sorry. It will start from 0.
Start from
4.
0.
It will start from 4. Oh, it will start from 0.
It will start from 0 and go till 2.
Yes.
All the elements. And in this case, it will start from the third element and go till the end.
Yes.
0 to second element concatenated with third elements till the end. So ultimately, this will give me the whole list only. है ना? 0 to second element. So 0, 1, 2. यहाँ तक आ गया. That is the output for this one. And then third element onwards. This is the third element onwards. इसको
Yes,
निकाला.
ma'am.
And then
Yes.
दोनों को we concatenated with this plus. So I get the whole list as my answer. Right? Little
Yes, ma'am.
different, little tricky. So that's why we are doing it carefully. Right. And now the last one. This is simple. But it is in square bracket. So we have to be careful. Okay. Yes, Pranit. Explain this part.
Then this, ma'am, then it will count from.
There are no colons. Go step by step. First, what is the output of len list 1? What is the output of len list 1?
5.
5. Very correct. Then, so I got here 5. So 5 minus 1 is
4.
4. And now 4 is not with any quotes. I mean, not with any colons, but in square brackets. So list 1 square bracket 4 will return me
5.
the fourth index position wala element, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer is 5. Right? So that is why these kind of questions will be there in the exam, wherein they combine len also, they combine some kind of a small operation also. You have to be careful about, are you applying this operation on a content of the element of a list or the entire list? Like if it is plus 1, so don't get confused, because here it was working like concatenation, but here this will work like addition. If it is a multiplication, then here it will work like a normal multiplication, whereas here it will work like, if it's a number here, obviously, it will work like replication. So where are you applying that particular operation? We have to be very careful about that. Okay. So I will just write in these answers after this and keep the file ready. So next class, Krish, Samyukta, Siddhant, Harsh, Shan, and Manas and Muskan, they have to finish up with this. Others have done great job. We've really, I think, learned a lot of things, small things. That is why I wanted everybody to participate. But anyway, unfortunately, we couldn't have everyone. I hope that they go through the recording and understand the things properly. I should actually thank Sumit for asking me to record. Thank you, Sumit.
Yes, ma'am.